What is the capital of Brunei Darussalam? Go. Flashcards, please. Okay. The correct answer, Bandar Seri Begawan. Do we consider the answer from Thailand?
Philippines and Singapore got the correct answer.
Okay, thank you very much, judges. Second easy question. What is the monetary unit of Vietnam? Go. Time's up. Flashcards, please. Philippines, may I see your answer? The answer is dong, new dong. So Philippines and Singapore got the correct answer. Okay, for our first average question. Who is Malaysia's longest-serving Prime Minister, who is also an outspoken critic of Western countries and an advocate of Asian values? Go. Time's up. Flashcards, please. Philippines? The correct answer, Mahathir Mohamad. So the Philippines and Singapore got the correct answer. Next question. Give the theory conceived by President Dwight Eisenhower that if Indochina fall to the communists, the rest of Southeast Asia shall also fall. Go. Pens up. Flashcards up, please.
Ano ba? I cannot see. Naku, walang nakasagot.
For Thailand is domino theory.
Ah, that's correct.
Thailand got it right. The domino theory. We are now into the difficult round. Each question is worth 3 points. Question. What is Indonesia's giant political machine, an umbrella organization encompassing the military, the bureaucracy, and big businesses? Go. Time's up. Raise your flashcards, please. Okay, may I see them now? Mr. Interpreter?
She answered after organization. After organization.
AFTA organization. The correct answer, Golkar or Gologan Karya. No one got the answer. What do you call a country from outside the region with enough interest in ASEAN matters and hold talks with ASEAN members on matters of mutual interest? Go. Time's up. Raise your flashcards, please.
Ano yung nakalagay ito? ASEAN partner. Ay, hindi. Dialogue partner.
May I see them? Philippines, may I see your answer? ASEAN partners. Singapore, may I see your answer? That's America. And Thailand, Mr. Interpreter?
India.
India? India? The correct answer is dialogue partners.
Partners.
Judges, do we consider the answer of the Philippines?
The term should be dialogue partners because they hold dialogues with the members of the ASEAN.
Okay, thank you. For our third difficult